Hello guys, today we are going to talk about the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic We Only Reviews channel. We have prepared a video with a complete review of everything you need to know before buying Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. We will also present some very important warnings, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention, so that you do not make mistakes when using or when purchasing the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. The first thing you need to know about Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is, be careful which website you are going to buy the product from, because Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is only sold on the official website. To help you, I'm leaving the link to the official website below in the description of this video, and also in the first pinned comment. So let's see now what the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic really is and if this product really works. And the answer is yes, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic works. It is a product tried and approved by the overwhelming majority of its users. It is the only tonic supplement developed exclusively for the elimination of fat. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Even the official website contains several testimonials from customers who have used Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is also an important detail about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can try Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for 90 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they will give you your money back. So please rest assured to use the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, but make sure you are purchasing from the official website to ensure the warranty benefits. Also, for Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day, before 10 a.m., as the producers recommend, or else you won't see great results and will get a little frustrated instead. You can see initial results within the first month. However, it is recommended that you continue using this product until you achieve the desired result. Also important for you to know, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic has no side effects as it is natural. So I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful which site you are going to buy Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else's because your body works in a very unique way. I really hope that this video has helped you and that Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic really helps you to improve your life, and that you can enjoy the many other benefits that this product offers. And if you liked the video and want to receive more content like this, subscribe here to this channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you later.